Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at the integral of cotangent x times cotangent 2x dx. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button so I can continue uploading engaging and challenging integrals. So let's dive right into it. So this one, we have to recognize that cotangent x is the same as cosine of x over sine of x. So that implies that cotangent of 2x is going to be the cotangent, the cosine of 2x over the sine of 2x. So in that case, we can take this integral and apply this. So that should be equal to the integral of cotangent x. Cotangent x is cosine of x over sine of x times cosine of 2x over sine of 2x dx. Again, we know that cosine of 2x is the cosine square x minus sine square x. Sine of 2x is the same as 2 sine x cosine of x. So let's apply this one again to our integral. Integral becomes the integral of cosine x over sine x times cosine 2x. Cosine 2x is cosine square x minus sine square x all over 2 sine of x cosine of x. I think some things will cancel out here. I think cosine here will cancel cosine here. So at the end, in the numerator, this is the x. The numerator, you are left with cosine square x minus sine square x all over 2 sine square x dx. Our integral evaluates to become, you can divide 1/2 is a constant. We have cosine square x over sine square x minus sine square x over sine square x dx. So this one dx all multiplied by half. So in the end we have 1/2. We can split the integral. The integral of cosine square x over sine square x minus dx minus 1/2 the integral of sine square x over sine square x dx. This one becomes 1/2 the integral of cosine square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x over sine square x minus 1/2 the integral of 1 dx, because sine square x and sine square x will cancel. In the end, you have 1/2 the integral of 1 over sine square x dx minus 1/2 the integral of sine square x over sine square x dx minus 1/2 the integral of 1 dx. So in the end, we are just left with 1/2 the integral of cosecant square x, because 1 over sine square is cosecant square x dx minus 1/2 the integral of 1 dx minus 1/2 the integral of 1 dx. So this one simplifies to 1/2 the integral of cosecant square x dx minus this and that. These two will simplify to the integral of 1 dx. So we are just integrating cosecant square x. Cosecant square x, when you integrate that, we are going to get negative cotangent of x minus the integral of 1 in the x world is x. So in the end, your answer to the integral is going to be negative 1 over 2 cotangent of x minus x. And that should be the integral, the value of our integral. So the integral of cotangent x, cotangent 2x dx is going to be negative 1/2 cotangent x minus x as a constant of integration. So with this, we are done. So that is the value of this integral. If you find this helpful, make sure to smash the subscribe button for more content. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.